Picture windows are a beautiful addition to any Baytown home, offering expansive views and filling your living spaces with natural light. Because they are designed with large, fixed panes of glass, keeping them clean and clear is essential to maintaining their appearance and performance. With Baytown's mix of humidity, dust, and seasonal weather, regular maintenance can go a long way in preserving the clarity and longevity of your picture windows. One of the most important steps in maintaining picture windows is regular cleaning. Dirt, dust, and pollen can quickly accumulate on the glass, especially in areas with changing weather conditions. Cleaning your windows at least once every few weeks helps prevent buildup that can dull their appearance. Using a soft cloth or microfiber towel along with a non-abrasive glass cleaner ensures that you remove grime without scratching the surface. Timing also matters when cleaning your windows. It's best to clean them during cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or evening. Direct sunlight can cause cleaning solutions to dry too quickly, leaving streaks behind. By choosing the right time, you can achieve a clearer, streak-free finish. Another important tip is to clean both the interior and exterior surfaces. While the inside may seem cleaner, dust and smudges can still affect visibility. The exterior, however, is more exposed to environmental elements like rain, dirt, and debris. For hard-to-reach exterior areas, using a hose with gentle pressure or an extendable cleaning tool can make the process easier and safer. In addition to cleaning the glass, it's essential to maintain the window frame and seals. Over time, dirt and moisture can collect around the edges of the window, potentially affecting its performance. Wiping down the frame and checking for any signs of wear or damage helps keep your windows functioning properly. Clean seals ensure that the window remains airtight, preventing dust and moisture from entering your home. Baytown's humidity can sometimes lead to condensation buildup on windows. While this is often a result of indoor temperature differences, keeping your home well ventilated can help reduce excess moisture. Using exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms or running a dehumidifier can improve air circulation and minimize condensation, keeping your windows clearer. Protecting your windows from environmental factors is another key part of maintenance. Installing window treatments such as blinds or shades can help reduce the amount of dust and debris that settles on the glass. These treatments also provide added protection from direct sunlight, which can contribute to streaking or buildup over time. It's also helpful to inspect your windows regularly for any signs of damage. Look for scratches, chips, or seal failures that could affect clarity or performance. Catching small issues early allows you to address them before they become larger problems. If you notice fogging between panes, it may indicate a broken seal that requires professional attention. Using the right cleaning products is equally important. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that can damage the glass or frame. Instead, opt for gentle, window-safe cleaners or a simple mixture of water and mild soap. This approach keeps your windows clear without causing unnecessary wear. Another practical tip is to remove debris from surrounding areas. Leaves, dirt, and other outdoor elements can accumulate near your windows and eventually make their way onto the glass. Keeping the area around your windows clean helps reduce the amount of buildup and makes regular maintenance easier. For homeowners who prefer a hands-off approach, scheduling professional window cleaning periodically can be a worthwhile investment. Professionals have the tools and expertise to clean large picture windows thoroughly, especially in hard-to-reach areas. This ensures a high level of clarity and helps maintain the overall appearance of your home. In the end, keeping your picture windows clear in Baytown doesn't require complicated steps, just consistent care and attention. By cleaning regularly, maintaining seals, managing humidity, and protecting against environmental factors, you can preserve the beauty and functionality of your windows. With proper maintenance, your picture windows will continue to provide bright, unobstructed views and enhance your home for years to come.